Back in June, I made a video on creating a morning routine that sticks. Well, after about a month of that stickiness began to wear off.
First things first, fresh skin fade. I'm a looking. All right. So some of the habits I kept, like morning exercise and writing out my tasks for the day. However, other habits like meditation and especially not checking my phone first thing in the morning have slipped since about August, I want to say. And checking my phone first thing is a habit that I despise, and I keep falling back into it, especially being on this YouTube journey, because we want to check our analytics and respond to our comments, and it's hard not to check it first thing. So over the last, I want to say 2 weeks, I've been recreating a morning routine, super simple, super easy, to get me into the flow of my day and allow me to be in a positive mood and be productive throughout the day. So without further ado, here it is, my 2020-2021 winter morning routine.
Keeping water on my bedside table gets the ball rolling as my body and mind remember the routine. Next, I'll go downstairs and wash my face with cold water to help wake me up. A little skincare, and it's time for breakfast. Usually I'll make a smoothie with almond milk, frozen fruit, protein, and sometimes maca and ashwagandha if I'm really looking for a boost in energy. I'll usually just chill and look out the window while I drink my smoothie. Sometimes I check my phone, which is a habit I'd like to kick within the first hour of my day. After I finish my smoothie, I'll dress for the gym and head out the door. I listen to inspirational speakers every morning while I'm at the gym. It's something I've been doing for many years and probably one of the easiest things that has made the most significant impact to my mindset and work ethic. And just honestly giving me motivation on the mornings I'm not feeling it or in a rough mood. I've been doing split muscle group workouts 3 days a week and going into stretch on the other mornings. When I get home, I'll shower and sometimes do a meditation before I hop on my laptop and start my work for the day.
So that is it, super simple, super easy, and it really makes a world of difference in my energy levels, in my mood especially, and in my productivity throughout the day. So if a morning routine is something you'd like to try out, I would highly recommend it. We are creatures of habits, so if you have a lazy morning, that's usually going to carry throughout the day, and if you have a routine, a productive morning, that will usually also carry throughout the day. No promises though. Sometimes things happen and your mood changes and the day just gets destroyed. Also, I don't think you need to be on a morning routine every single day. On Sunday mornings, I watch SpongeBob. I have no routine. And then I watch football. So it's kind of my rest day. So don't be too hard on yourself with being strict. You know, we're not in the army. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, drop it a like and make sure to subscribe if you're new. Much love. Take care.